Hello, lovelies. I hope you all are doing great. Join me. Let's make this breakfast of fried egg and toast. You just cracked in 2 eggs, whisk and add salt, curry, and the cinnamon powder. And I'll also be adding it some tomatoes, onions, pepper, and a diced cucumber. Add everything into the plate and whisk together. I will now add a teaspoon of vegetable oil into my pan and fry the eggs. And here we have it. Our breakfast is ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. I love you all. Bye bye.